Well, here's the job for the day. 2014 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution MR Edition. I believe it's a 2.0 or 2.2 turbo, all-wheel drive. This is why it's here. You can tell by the oil pan. There goes my light. And there's a hole somewhere up in there. Don't know where. But somewhere up in there, there's a... Don't know where, though. Well, I'm actually gonna find it. Because if you look over here, when I removed the bracket, this fell out. This is part of the block. One's a nice one, too. Two-piece Brembo rotors, big brake kit, factory. This is the Rally Sport Edition, the MR. So pretty nice. 67,000 original miles, and it already kicked a rod. But new motor should be here today. I should have this done by Wednesday or by the end of the week. All depends on what parts are missing or needed. That's a little updated for a fun one. And that's almost finished.